Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your world explorer. Hope you're having a great day. Just want to provide you with an update on the progress of our edamame. Let's take a look. They're actually doing really good out here in the full sun. We got two locations. One's like a half sun, one is full sun. This is obviously the full sun location, and they're doing really nicely. So we'll go check that half sun location. All right. So here's the half sun location. These don't seem to be doing bad at all. So I would say at this point, it looks like something bit that top off over there. I would say at this point that if you get a half sun location or a full sun location, they will survive, but we still have to observe further, so stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these edamame plants. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day.